At least get us on TV.
Lock air traffic, 6455 turning left, wind for 32, lock air traffic.
Alright.
Lock air traffic, Piper Cherokee, white and green, inbound to land from the south, 10 miles. Over midfield.
I might have accidentally hit that by accident.
Oh yeah, pushing the mixture in.
Yeah. Yep, that's what it was. I'm like, hold up, that's never happened before. Alright, we'll keep a very keen eye on traffic.
Green and white.
Got him on left downwind, okay.
Yep. Aircraft that was on downwind, can extend please?
For some reason I can barely hear.
Yeah, we'll extend downwind for 64545. Roger, thank you.
It's still not really coming in. Are you hearing very well?
Yeah, I'm hearing okay.
Huh.
Okay, traffic, Cessna waiting.
Your pilot audio, turn up.
1,500 feet.
Yeah. I can't explain it. Let me at least announce, because I hear it's...
Adjust your headset volume.
That helped a little.
Test 1 2. Test 1 2.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Charlie 5 Cherokee.
Okay, I can hear now.
Final runway 32. Buck area traffic here on November 47700. We'll be departing the pattern to the west, Buck area.
Turn that back on. I guess it had been inactive on the ground for more than 10 minutes.
As the 2 mile final traffic insight will follow you for 32 Buck area. Thanks.
There we go. So we'll just get out of their way and then eventually head south. That was fun. It's like, what in the world was going on?
Left base for 32, traffic on final season.
We're past 1,000. I'm gonna adjust power for 25, 25, so 25 manifold, 25 RPM. Eventually, I'm gonna set my cruise setting. But for now, I'll do that. And I'm also trying to get a feel for how high I want to be given this cloud layer too.
Yep.
So I'm probably gonna level off at 2,000 at this point, but with it being, I don't know, it's fairly close to that ceiling now.
9 Yankee Hotel, entering downwind 32 Bulgaria.
Go ahead and start heading south in the meantime.
Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 64545 is turning on a left 2 mile final Buck area traffic. Did you say 3 mile? 2 mile. Dang. Extended. Nice. Yeah, traffic, so you're on the go. Buck area traffic.
There we go. Alright, so I'll level off here. I want to pull RPMs to about 21. Right about there. Even though I got a trim switch here, I don't like using it. So you'll see me do this all the time.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, we have traffic here in front of us.
Yeah, 1,000 feet up.
Okay, traffic, Skyhawk 9 Yankee Hotel, turning base, legs, 32 Bulgaria.
this looks good there.
Traffic, Sky 545 is short final, 3-2. We're going to do a touch and go and depart the area to the north. Okay.
Got him. He's off to the right.
Okay,
Nope.
all right. Good, good, good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and exchange controls and put these foggles on. So your controls.
Got him.
All right. And my controls.
Okay.
There we go. I'll turn this bad boy off. Coming from.
You typically land at 90?
No, I'll get slow. I'll be crossing over usually at about 70, believe it or not, but
Okay.
this thing will drop quick. Bulgaria traffic here on November 47700, turning final runway 32, Bulgaria.
Valkyrie traffic, Cherokee 625 Foxtrot Tango, left crosswind, runway 32, Valkyrie. Valkyrie traffic, Cherokee 625 Foxtrot Tango, left downwind, runway 32, Valkyrie.
Not as smooth as I want, but
Hey, we're here.
yeah.